Keep going. Keep going, Chase. Go.
Nothing's gonna happen.
Go, Chase. Epic fail. I'm coming.
Oh,
I'm coming.
oh, yo, bro, get it off.
I'm coming.
Get it off. He's putting it on epicfail.com.
Oh, so epic fail. Actually, I can't because it's a video. I can't believe you just fell. Dude, you could have got right through there if you didn't slow down. What? Hold on. That was my little brother Chase epically failing on his dirt bike. How did that feel, Chase? Did it feel? Yeah, do it again. Go for it. Last time. Turn around and do it again. Turn around and do it again. Where's he going? I'm gonna turn around right here. I ain't got enough recording material. Come on, Chase. Let's go. Let's do this. Yo, go right through here. I get a front row seat. Go. Aw, no epic failing for that time. Oh, well, that was Chase Byrne. Really failing, and I'm Cole. Peace out.